Welcome to Movies Adda and this is your Bollywood guide G9 यानी कि दिव्य सोलगामा in conversation with talented actor Siddharth Malhotra. Siddharth, first things first, we're looking at the whole different appearance of yours in the film Brothers with totally beefed up body and rough looks. We know you are given lots of time to get these looks of yours. So how tough was the whole preparation experience and how proud are you to do such type of role at this early stage of your career?
Of course, I think the future is that actors would take out that much time and do nothing but prep for a role. They keep doing it in the West. I think यहाँ पे भी if you want to do iconic films like see Bahubali, अगर आप example देंगे, they made it for 2 years, 2.5-3 years, and for a big star there, that star was much bigger. And look at the benefit that it's given him now. इतना business किया in all languages. The first film that broken barriers, did so much business. So now somebody had to do it. Now we'll always remember him as an actor. So I think that's my aim, to do something which I'll be remembered for. And anyways the race is too long. I'm not looking for the present right now. अभी बहुत काम करना है, काफी साल है. तो of course I think it is बहुत early है अभी. There are people who want to wait for our films and do one film a year. And it was a risk, but I think there was no other way to do this film. I look nothing like that, in that poster right now. It's very tough to look like that all throughout the year. It's not bada, beefy, buzzed up hair, or to keep training for mixed martial arts. I feel it was a natural progression because maybe physically I could, or maybe I'm also now become 30 now, so I feel there is a general progression that the actor has to do older roles or more physically, demanding roles. I also enjoy action. And as I said, I think I keep saying that in the future I don't want to be known for say one kind of genre. People like to club people in कि ये सिर्फ romantic hero है, सिर्फ comedy है, सिर्फ I want to be adaptable to both. Be it a softer role or be it a hard-hitting, aggressive role like Brothers. Now I am doing Kapoor and Sons and then Nitya's with Katrina. Which are very very softer and romantic roles. But I feel quality over quantity. Risk is there. It's a film that I will be remembered for years to come.
Siddharth, you debuted with a romantic film and then did a intense dramatic love stories. But out here in Brothers, it's a total dramatic action saga. So how did you land up in this type of a film?
Very exciting. Karan Malhotra and I met in this very room. He was co-officer and he was sitting right across and he's like, I'm going to make Warrior. I said, okay. But I said, who all are there? Like you and Akshay Kumar. So first I thought of a climax and I thought of that fighting and I thought of that has to convincingly hit Akshay Kumar and be believable. But then I realized that what potential it has. India has never seen a fight like this between two heroes. So I think that USP that we'll have of two correct men fighting, there's no hero and villain and there's mixed martial arts. I will be learning so much. I will be convincingly kicking, punching. That will set my tone for action in from films to come. So why won't I say yes? And I knew Karan Malhotra and I had so much faith in him because he's my first AD where he has really bajawed me and scolded me. So I also thought it was payback time. Now I'm an actor and now he's a director, but none of that happened. He's very, very convinced about his cinema and I had full faith in him. So no reason to say no.
Siddharth, would you agree that actors like you, Varun, Ranveer Singh and others are lucky to be in part of this new phase of Hindi cinema where many different types of films are being made?
Yeah. We were discussing with Akshay sir yesterday, like, ये लड़के सब, they were all saying लड़के सब off चीजें कर रहे हैं, अलग-अलग रोल कर रहे हैं, कैसा था? So he's like, we don't know off. What is off? कहता मैं ही off था. और कुछ off नहीं था हमारी पिक्चरों के बारे में. Because the acceptance was not there. So we are lucky that we are in a time of generation that has seen so much of international cinema and they see what actors do there, how they change themselves. I'm following similar thing like of taking time off and acquiring a skill and practicing for a role and rehearsing for mixed martial arts is a very non-Bollywood way of working, especially in such an early stage. We've seen other senior actors do one film a year. So yeah, I think the audience has changed and which is helping us to experiment so much.
Siddharth, we all know Akshay Kumar has officially trained in martial arts and you had to learn it recently for your film Brothers. So while fighting with Akshay Kumar in the film, were you tense or nervous? And if yes, then kindly share with us some anecdote related to the shoot of the film.
Well, hats off to Akshay sir that he's very, very helpful to other actors and he was very considerate in helping me cheat and use the strength at the same time. But back home, he's such a, I think he's made everything on set so fun. Like for instance, he'll give me I'm wearing shorts and in the ring and he's about to kick me. He's like, where is this guard and protection? So I've worn the guard, okay, kicking lag na jaye, protection. And suddenly when we finished the thing and he took me on the floor and he's come in and out and he's put his hand and he's taken the guard out. So I have looked at my crotch and I was like, ye kab hua hai? Sir, kahan kab gaya ye? So I cut to, and obviously it was another guard that he had and he pretended to take it out from my shorts. So that makes all the toughness and the pain go away. I think that's an amazing quality that he has to relax the set and not take any stress. So I followed that lead. It's not a funny film, it's a very intense film, very physically demanding film, but his hasi mazak and pranks and just having fun on set made that pain much easier. So even, we used to make contact for most of the shots, say kicks also had to touch us, and when you're on the floor wrestling and grappling, you have to put a weight on somebody, and that used to happen, but when we used to crack a joke, his Punjabi jokes, his non-veg jokes, and we were playing these pranks, it just makes it easier. And physically I was equipped for it. I used to take ice bath. That's the best thing for recovery. And so every day that used to 12 to 15 minutes in ice cold water. We had trainers who would stretch us. We had trainers who would warm us up. So facilities were all given and pranks and jokes were going on, so it was fun.
Siddharth, we all know Akshay Kumar has officially trained in martial arts and you had to learn it recently for your film Brothers. So while fighting with Akshay Kumar in the film, were you tense or nervous? And if yes, then kindly share with us some anecdote related to the shoot of the film.
I just shot for Kapoor and Sons with Shakun Batra, which is me, Fawad and Alia. I finished a long outdoor, film is almost done. It's again a diametrically different film role for me. I'm playing a young writer it's got lighter moments, much more funny. And then I'm doing with Katrina, Love Story with Nitya Mehra, which is an excellent entertainment and drama production film. That'll fill up the rest of the year and then let's see.